Hi Cardinals, I'm sure your workspace is a little unorthodox, just like all of us right now. Letting you know that faculty and staff have your back. If there's anything we can do to help, please feel free to reach out to us, and we will do our best to help you through this difficult time. And it's pretty nice outside, so if you can go take a walk, give it a go.
Hey everybody, let's keep in touch. I'm waiting for your emails. Ask me lots of questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Reaching out to all Cardinals to let you know that we're all in this fight together. Remember, tough times don't last. Tough people do. And tough people win. And the Cardinals are as tough as they come. Go Cardinals. Let's go. Win the day.
Hey fellow Cardinals, thinking of you. Hope to get a chance to get outside, get some sunshine, take a walk, do things to keep yourself mentally healthy. Wishing you all the best, Cardinals. Miss you. Cardinal strong.
Wherever your home is today, whether you're in your permanent home, you're still living on campus, or still traveling to get to home, we want to wish you the very best. Please know that home is never a place. It is a feeling, and we feel it with you. Welcome home. Go Cardinals.
Hello Cardinals, and welcome to my office.
Hello, I am Mackenzie and this is Sybil. I am Desmond and this is
And we certainly miss you on campus, Cardinals. We'll talk to you soon, Cardinals. Stay safe and healthy. Go Cardinals!
We may not be sharing the same physical space right now, but we are certainly standing by, ready to assist you. So please continue to reach out with your questions and your concerns, and we will get you the most up-to-date and accurate information. We also know that we will overcome this because that's what Cardinals do. Go Cards!
I'm Dr. Brian Thomas, Associate Vice President for Academic Affairs, coming to you with my son Oliver from our home office in Freeland, Michigan. What do you have to say, Oliver?
Go Cardinals!
Hey Cardinals, from my home office space. I hope that you all are doing well. I'm doing good here. This is home for now, but I do miss seeing you all around campus and in the community. Sending you all the best and hopefully a smile.
Hi everybody. I sure wish we could all be on campus. I definitely miss campus and I certainly miss you, but we'll make it work from home and the home offices for now. I'm just an email away. Contact me if you need anything. Go Cardinals.
It's been a long time since we've seen you. Your energy and enthusiasm is totally missed. But no worries. Stay connected, stay strong, and be positive. From my family to yours, live long and prosper.
The hardest part for me has been not having that interaction with my students, not being able to see people with whom I've developed relationships and who I care about very much. I want you to know that there are better days coming and that I can't wait to see everybody back on campus when those better days arrive. Please stay home, please stay safe, please wash your hands. Take care, Cardinals.
We want you to know that we are still very much committed to your success. Again, I can't tell you how much I miss you, and we look forward to seeing you back on campus. Go Cardinals.
Hey, SPSU students, it's Dr. Q from Geography. Hope you're doing okay, and just remember, the world is your classroom. Get outside!